Morning all. In this presentation, we'll be looking at some of the top electric bikes currently available in India for the last 1 year. We will review each model's key specs, sales figures, unique features, and after-sales service options. This information aims to help you whether you are a first-time EV buyer or looking to upgrade. So understand which bike might be the best fit for your needs. With that, we'll quickly jump on to our first bike that we want to look. As we know, let's start with the Ola S1 Pro. It's a top player in the Indian EV market with over 3,26,000 units sold in just 1 year, just financial year of 2024. Ola has truly made an impact. Key features include rapid acceleration, a swappable battery, and GPS tracking via the Ola app, making it ideal for tech-savvy riders. With a range of about 170 km per charge and a charging time of just 18 minutes to reach 50% on hypercharge. It's built for long, uninterrupted rides. The Ola Hyper Service network is also expanding. As per the recent news, they are promising 1,000 more service centers by the end of 2024. So that's a huge number for service centers. So those who are already experiencing pretty bad with Ola bikes and service centers, this might be promising to see more service centers with more technicians to be able to take care of your bike. This bike is designed for urban adventures who value both performance and style. You can also take a look at some of the key values. It ranges prices around 1.5 lakhs and they're also running some huge discounts if you want to buy. So please go and check Ola centers. Okay, you might get an average cost of 3,000 and it weighs around 125 kilos at this point. And after sales service, yeah, but they're also coming up with Ola Hyper Service, which might be a huge win with the current situation they're undergoing. Cool. With that, we'll move to the next one. Should be proud of this, the Ather 450X. In May 2024 alone, they sold around 4,000 units, showing its popularity. The Ather 450X stands out with a sleek touchscreen dashboard, adaptive riding modes, and a reverse mode to navigate tight spots. You will get a real-world range of 105 km on a full charge, and it takes just 10 minutes of fast charging to gain 15 km of range. Known for low maintenance cost, Ather also has an extensive service network to keep you on the road without hassle. Perfect for young, eco-conscious riders who love advanced tech. And this also costs you around close to 1.5 lakhs if you're going for a top model. An average maintenance cost close to 4,000 a year. And it comes with a 780 mm height. So decent enough for even a 6 feet or a 5'10" person. And they also offer 3.7 kilowatts of lithium, and it also has a very suitable charger, which you can see where I'm marking it. So very convenient for your home. So they have two battery ranges. One is 2.9 kilowatts, which comes around 111 kilometers range, and 3.7 kilowatts for a 150 kilometer IDC range. So when you're coming to on-road, realistic, you might get around 130, 125. When same with 2.9 kilowatts, you might get around 90s to 100s. Okay, so don't go with those figures given by the IDC range. These are tested at very straight, narrow roads where there is no traffic, no braking, nothing. So realistic, always try to go -20. Cool. With that, we'll move on to the third popular bike that we have. the list, which is our TVS IQ. While exact sales data is undisclosed at this point, I even checked all the authorized government bodies for any reports that I could get for TVS IQ, but never got anything from it. So, though TVS has reported steady growth in EV adoption, its features include a silent motor start, a cloud connected dashboard, and LED lighting. With a range of 100 kilometers and a charging time of 4.5 hours. This scooter is efficient and easy to maintain since it is TVS. It's ideally for budget conscious commuters. It boasts a wide service network backed by TVS's own established presence across India. It's a great ride. It's a great choice for daily riders looking for a reliable and affordable EV. They also have different ranges of battery capacity ranging from 2.2 to 5.1 kilowatt per hour lithium ion batteries. So crazy ranges. So they can start from around ranges from 1.5 lakh, 1.15 to 1.25 on road. So go check the bikes. They also have low variant bikes which start from 80k. That's what I've seen. They also come with a 3 years battery warranty. And after sales service, no doubt on it, TVS has been pretty good as always. So, with that, we'll move on to our next one. Though Bajaj is a pretty famous brand, but Bajaj Chet has not kicked off as we thought when they reached the market, but they're coming up with more upgraded models. So this bike combines traditional styling with modern EV features. Its sturdy metal body, app connectivity and silent motor start make it popular among fans of classic styling with a modern twist. Although exact sales data is limited, Bajaj's commitment to EVs ensure strong after-sales support. So the Chetak has a 90 kilometer range with a 5-hour charging time and offers reliable performance with low maintenance cost. Low in sense, not more than 3k per year. It is perfect for riders who want durability along with efficient design because it comes with a very classic look. You can look at the bottom image here. So yeah, and they also offer a battery capacity of 3 kilowatts. They're coming up with more ranges. And it has 132 kgs of body weight, a curb weight, and a seat height of 790, ideal for everyone. Yeah, short riders maybe they might have to balance with toes or a single leg. And yeah, it costs around 1.5 lakhs on road for you. With that, we'll move to the next one. These are like the bonus ones. These are not very expensive motorbikes, but reasonable. But I would say maybe if you want to give a try for a short distance, maybe if you're driving for 30-40 kilometers, a very low maintenance vehicle, you can choose the next two bikes. This is our Amou Electric. Juvanti is an affordable option with excellent value for short distance riders. Though the sales figures aren't disclosed, it is known for its reverse gear lightweight frame and app integrations with a range of 75 to 80, but I would say you can get around 60. And with an ultra lightweight design, which is 62 kilos. 62 kilos. So it's like lightweight. It's perfect for students and daily commuters. It has an easy maintenance schedule and a very low cost of ownership, which makes it accessible and practical for those new to EVs. So remember, so this will not cost you more than 80k on road. It also comes with 2 years battery warranty, and it's 62 kilos as we said. It's very lightweight, and it's a 1.8 kilowatt lithium battery with a 1.2 peak power. Though the range is given as 80, but you will hardly get 60, close to 60, I would say. So yeah, if you're on a low budget or a tight schedule, tight financial stuff, so you can think of it for short distances, maybe 30-40 kilometers travel. With that, we'll go to the next bonus bike that we will look today is the pure EV Pluto 7G. So the sales data isn't widely available. It's gained its loyal customer though to its portable battery mechanism and regenerative braking and a digital dashboard. But yeah, it has got pretty bad ratings recently. But if you're on a tight budget, you can choose this as one of the options to start with. Okay, if you're a new EV customer, you want to try something which is budget friendly before you choose a very costly vehicle. You are going to close to 1.6 lakh EV bike, so you want to start something low. This is one thing you can start with, get used to the EV world, and then you can jump onto the bigger bikes. So it's a single charge, delivers up to 120 kilometers of range. Considering its lightweight build, it gives more range, but you can go for 100 kilometers range. And a 4-hour charging time, okay, manageable. And a pure EV also provides dedicated service centers that is budget friendly, reliable choice for urban commuters. So yeah, as you look, the average cost, it will not cost you more than 1.5k in a year, so maybe you can take max to 2. And they also come with 2 years battery. This is good enough, and it comes with 76 kgs, so it's a very lightweight. So maybe someone who wants to learn EV, how to use the power and the engine, someone new to, okay, let me experience EV before I even go get a powerful battery bike which will zoom in through the traffic. So get started with this and maybe upgrade your bike down the line, right? So yeah, this is the second bonus one, which is at a very budget friendly one, but not that reliable as the other brands that we have seen. Yeah, with this, I would like to thank you for people who took their time to look at this video, and I hope this helps you to choose your electric bike. And though each of these electric bikes offer something different, from a high-tech to an affordable commuting solutions, while you're buying your EVs, so always look at how the after sales do and the comfort of charging your vehicle if you're taking it to your office, or if you're going out somewhere on a long drive, maybe a 50-kilometer range outside your city. So keep a tab on the choices that you can get this bike serviced or repaired by someone on the route, right? So though the EV market is still growing, it's at the very initial phases of getting that popularity or the service centers. So think twice before you go for EV. Make sure you get the right service centers, the network is good, or the after sales are pretty good, they respect you, you have that resolution time. The main time to your resolution of your bike is always that you should look at, okay, if you give your bike, how many days it take to resolve your bike and they hand it over to you. Anything more than 7 days, I think that's, if it goes like 30 days like the EV, like the Ola, think twice, wait for their network to grow and then jump into that bike. Cool. Thank you all for watching and listening to me, and I hope this was insightful, helpful, and some of the points that are highlighted on each slide might help you to choose your right first or upgrading your electric. With that, signing off from you guys. I hope you all enjoyed your Diwali and stay safe. Talk to you guys later.